How to create custom buttons on your Google Sites. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I will show you step by step how we can create customizable buttons on our Google Sites. Now, you may know already how to create a normal button on your Google Sites, and you also may know that, and I'm not talking about this one, this is a PayPal button for a different video, but you may also know that a normal button on Google Sites, so let's just go ahead and do button, then just google.com maybe. It is limited for you on how you can actually adjust this. I mean, you can actually change how it looks like so. And if you change also the theme, it is going to be, you have the ability to change it alongside it, and that way. But you don't really have a lot of customization options, to be honest. You can also change it from here. You will find these styles and stuff, which is going to change the style of the button as well if it is present. But again, it's not highly customizable. So how do we actually create our own custom button on our Google Sites? It's not going to be from here. Instead, what we actually want to do is just go ahead and open up a new tab and go to elfsite.com. So not com, is .com, okay? So elfsite.com. In here, you can just go ahead and hit enter. And then from there, you can just go ahead and create an account for free. It is absolutely for free. You can just go ahead and get started easily. So just go ahead and create an account. And then from here, you want to just go to catalog, where you can find a lot of stuff that you can actually add to any website, including Google Sites. And what we are looking for, you named it, is a button. So just go ahead and look up button and you will find this one. Create buttons for users to perform various actions on your website. Go ahead and select this one. And once you actually do that, they're going to show you many different templates to choose from. So any of those are actually going to work. If you want this one at the bottom right, you can feel free to change it. If you don't want it to be on Instagram, it's also going to be changeable. You can adjust it completely to your own. Same goes for these other type of buttons that are existing here. So for example, let's just go for any sort of button that we actually think we like. For example, this one, or maybe even this one, because it does have an icon. But I mean, if you do want to replace this icon, you may want to actually get an icon first. So I'm just going to stick with this one because it's a lot simpler. And just click on continue with this template. And then you want to just go ahead and change the action to whatever you actually want it to do. You have a lot of actions to choose from here. Most likely is going to be link to page. So just go ahead and do that. And then you would want to just insert the link that you want, which is going to be google.com for my case. And then you have the option to open it up in a new tab. Then you can also change the label, obviously. So we can just go ahead and do test button. Oh, sorry about that. Button. There you go. And if you want to add an icon, feel free to do so. And if you want to choose from library, you can also do so from here. Like this one, for example. Okay, great. Actually, this one I think is going to be better for me. And if you want to add any additional information, you can feel free to do so. Like, for example, content above button. So click here or whatever it may be you want to actually add. Feel free to do so. But I'm just going to leave it as it is. And then I'm just going to go to design here, and you can obviously design it as you like. So for example, let's just go ahead and stick to red, and we can also change the button size to be on the larger size. And we also have different styles here. I'm just going to stick with this one, and once we're happy with it, you can just click. Wow, sorry about that. You can just go in and click on publish on the top right. Select a plan that is going to work for you. Now it is going to depend on the views that you get and also different things here. So feel free to compare them. I'm just going to select the free plan because I don't really get a lot of views because it is a test site. And then it's just going to generate a code here for you. So just go ahead and copy the code. Go back to your Google Sites. We don't need that anymore. And you want to just go to the insert, click on embed, and then you want to embed code. Paste it in here and click on next. Click on insert and you should have your button over here. You can obviously adjust where you want it to be and all of those things. So we can just go ahead and make it a little smaller, like so, and it should actually appear here for us. So we can just go ahead and publish and test it out, and it's going to work perfectly fine. And this is pretty much how to create custom buttons on your Google sites. Hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.